reason denies it, my senses deny it, my pocketbook will not allow it, my time will not allow it. I want to go elsewhere. And everything in this world tells me I can't go. Well, where would I go? Well, I know exactly where I would go. Well, now, let me in my imagination go. I don't travel. I bring there here. And here vanishes. I take there and make it here. And I take then and make it now. And with my eyes closed to this world, I simply envelop myself in my wish fulfilled and see the world as I would see it if it were physically true. And when it seems to take on all the tones of reality and all the sensory vividness of reality, then I open my eyes and this world returns. That's what you're told in the book of Genesis. Esau came back from the hunt, and Jacob, as he came back, Jacob vanished. But his father Isaac said, even though he deceived me into believing he was you, I cannot take away my blessing. I gave him my blessing. I gave him your birthright, and I cannot take it back. I gave him the right of birth to come into this world and be as real as you seemingly are. So now you must vanish. And he must take it, even though he deceived me. It was a self-deception. I deceived myself into believing that I am what one moment before reason denied and my senses denied. Try it. And if it proves itself in performance, does it really matter what the world thinks? But you see, we are dealing with the most fantastic mystery in the world, the mystery of imagining. That's what Fawcett said. The secret of imagining is the greatest of all problems, to the solution of which every man should aspire. For supreme power, supreme wisdom, supreme delight lie in the far-off solution of this mystery. Because you're actually solving the problem of God. If you can solve the problem of imagining, you're solving the problem of God.